Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2017 Nissan Titan, okay, with a 5.6 liter V8 automatic. SV model gives you your alloy wheels that you see. This is a crew cab, so plenty of room for the crew, whether that's the family or co-workers or your work crew. Overall idea of the condition of the truck is really phenomenal. This comes over from our rental department, so we know the vehicle, and it has less than 10,000 miles, so it's really good low mileage. So you're getting a vehicle, you know, the tires are great, you know, the condition is great. You know, sliding rear window, it hasn't been abused, you know, used and abused. And you can tell also too, this doesn't have a bed liner in it, so you can tell by the condition of the bed, okay, that this hasn't been a truck that's had a lot of heavy usage. Okay, so if you're looking for a truck that is barely broken in without that new truck price, this 2017 Nissan Titan SV here at Newton Nissan may be just for you.